morning. Welcome to my house. So this is the main living area where after we're done swimming or after we're done with the beach and we're pretty tired and we just want to relax with maybe some mimosas, some juice, some milk, the kids can watch TV, this is where we hang out. And really love the space just because you can see it's really ambient. It just puts you in the mood for holiday and the mood for relaxation. This is where we have been having dinner our entire stay. Absolutely fantastic, very large table, meaning we ask the neighbors to come in. Neighbors meaning if you travel with a large group, you can actually have all your meals prepared for you in one kitchen in the house and then you eat from here. So we love it because of the view to the pool and just of course being outside for dinner. It's really nice. So when you come up the stairs, this is the first thing you see. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom villa, but this is the first thing you see. And my sweetie has been using this area to work while on holiday because as an entrepreneur, you're always working. So again, one of my favorite spaces is here. This is the master bedroom. My favorite piece in this house is obviously the bed. I'm not sure where it was constructed, honestly. I don't even know if I care. It's extremely comfortable and extremely beautiful to look at. My second favorite part of this bedroom is this living area, just because when the kids get up at 5 in the morning and we are not ready to get out of bed, we can have them sit here, watch some TV while we finish waking up. At the top of the house, we have this grandiose rooftop where we have been hanging out in the afternoons to evenings where we wait for dinner to get ready or for breakfast to get ready. And it's such a vibe. It's a complete vibe. Look at this. Very awesome for an afternoon siesta. And that was it. That was a tour of Almanara Luxury Villas. Remember, if you want to come here, talk to Travel Mint Safari for your booking and enjoy yourself. Thank you for being here.